Hello everyone. Today we're doing a song called Let the Flag Fly High. There are seemingly different versions of it, like Joy is the flag flown high from the castle of your heart, or Love is the flag flown high from the castle of your heart. I'm sure all those things are true. You know, when the king or queen are in their palace, then there is always a flag flown from the top to show that they are there. So we should fly the flag of joy and love from our hearts to show that the king is there. It's a good children's song that you can really use to good effect with children. You can even use some hand movements. It's in A. And A we play from the 5th string down, D from the 4th string down, E all the strings. That's our 3 chords. So for A, we don't play the top string. For D, we don't play the top 2 strings. And for E, we play all the strings. So I'm going to do a slow strum first of all, and then we'll do it again faster. And then we are going to show you a very complicated strum that is a lot of fun if you can manage it. 1, 2, 1. Let the flag fly high from the castle of your heart, from the castle of your heart, from the castle of your heart. Let the flag fly high from the castle of your heart, for the king is in residence there. Let it fly in the sky, let the whole world know, let the whole world know, let the whole world know. Let it fly in the sky, let the whole world know, that the king is in residence there. So between the verse and the chorus, you saw me putting my small finger there. That is just a bridging note. So that's not necessary for you to remember. It just comes automatically to me. Now we're going to do it faster. 1, 2, 1. Let the flag fly high from the castle of your heart, from the castle of your heart, from the castle of your heart. Let the flag fly high from the castle of your heart, for the king is in residence there. Let it fly in the sky, let the whole world know, let the whole world know, let the whole world know. Let it fly in the sky, let the whole world know, that the king is in residence there. At the end, you can also give it a quick D-A to round it off nicely. Now I'm going to show you how I would normally play it. It's a very fun way to play it, where you use your index finger to control all the bass notes, and you use the other 3 fingers to do the down strum. So for A, normally we don't use the top string for A, but in this case I am using it like this. 5th string, down, 6th string, down. And for D, 4th string, 5th string. And for E, 5th string, 6th string. So for A it's 5, 6, 5, 6. For D, 4, 5, 4, 5. For E, 5, 6, 5, 6. I'll do that slowly so that you can practice it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5. Okay, let's do the song. Fly Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you get it right, especially the last one. Let us know in the comments how it's going with you, and good luck. Bye.